What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Words. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Made some great profits today. I wanted to do a little bit of a live stream here, show you the thought process behind all the trading and everything like that. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and just link this in the Discord. Let's just link this, like everybody here right now. How you guys doing today? So here we go. That's by VIP right here. Here. I'm live. All right, so we get people there, and then right here. Boom. See if we can get some people up from here today. All right. Who do we have in the building? Hit me with a 1 if you're having a good day. Who do we have here today? So I'm going to start with SPY today. We're going to talk about SPY right now. So SPY was crazy. I got this Lotto right here, guys, off of this inside bar. It was absolutely disgusting. So I'm going to walk through this right now, okay? So in the morning for SPY, right, we had this inside day, right? So if you look, you could see that we actually opened in the middle, right? Like we opened in the middle of the range. And because of that, I'm always expecting there to be some kind of back and forth. Because nobody's really in control at the end of the day, right? Like no one is in control because we're in the middle. If we gapped up, the bulls would be in control. If we gapped down, the bears would be in control, but we're in the middle right here, okay? So this right here, this is one of our short plays right here. Let me just move this line right here. This is one of our short plays. If this line breaks, that's another one of our short plays. So let's see how that one goes. But anyways, so start off the morning, guys, with an opening range breakout. So went here to the 3-minute chart and took this first candle break. Didn't really get much out of it at all, guys, but came back here and got this inside bar. So this inside bar, guys, was the money play. So if you can see this here, here's the Discord right here. So right here, I said I'm going to try this inside bar as a Lotto. So we took these puts here, guys, right here. And these ones right here, I also shared it on Twitter. So make sure you follow Twitter because I always try to give, 1 or 2 free picks a week, right? So you can see right here, I shared this on Twitter at 9:10 Central. So I said SPY went short off the inside bar with the VIP full Lotto risk. So this is how the chart looked at the time. And I'm hoping for some more targets. Wish me luck. Then, guys, you can see where we are right now. So the puts right there. So I have them written down here. The 424 puts went from $1.82 to $4.55 plus 150%, guys. Giving that to the community for absolutely free. All right. Hit me with a 10 if you followed along with me this morning. Did you make some money? So you could see right here. Here was the call out for the short. Going to try this IB as a Lotto. I have a lot of short puts here, guys, into the close. Who took the short with me? Boom, boom, boom. And then we just crushed it, man. That was a beautiful play. And the concept behind it, again, was we had an inside open. So I was looking for a reversal. Like I was looking for these to be fake runs, fake pushes, right? Because that's what happens a lot on inside days. A lot of fake outs. So that's exactly what I was looking for right there. Okay, guys. So that was a beauty. So remember this orange line right down here. We're looking for this one here for a short play as well. But I already have this runner in here from here, and I'm trying to hold this into the close today from this inside bar up here. So if this one closes, guys, and we break the low and stuff, this might be like a 300 or 400% gainer, man. This might be a big, massive one. Hit me with a 7 if you follow me on Twitter. Do you follow me on here? I post a lot for free, guys. I'm not always going to post this much for free, but I'm really just trying to give back to the community right now and just help people because I know the times are tough and I know there's a lot of bullshit going on out there. So that's why I was just like, hey, let me post this one for the community. This one was a big, bad winner. Beautiful. All right. Now the other play that I took today, guys, was Johnson & Johnson short. I'm still in short. I covered some of my profits right here. I covered about $800 in profits on Johnson & Johnson. Let me show you the trade plan right here. So I went short on Johnson & Johnson at 182.18. Okay, so those trade plans are posted the night before if anybody needs help with getting in and where to put the stop and all that stuff. Okay, so right here, guys, right off the open, I got filled on the short side. And then let me show you how I took some targets here. So my target was right here. 181.48, which was right around there. Okay, so I got a nice quick push, locked in about 800. I still have a little bit more runner on, and I want to see if Johnson & Johnson can roll over into the close. Right now, we have a lot of Fibonacci action on Johnson & Johnson. If I take it from the high to the low right here, guys, you can see the 618. God bless the 618. Look at that 618 right there. Has been holding all day long. Do you guys see that? Hit me with 11 if you see the 618. So the 618 fib here, man, even if you didn't get this play with me this morning, you come back, you can tag the 618. Look at this. We had a beautiful inside bar on the 618. So that was another great entry reason. So very fair with Johnson & Johnson. And that was my top pick yesterday. Okay. And let me just show you guys that. I really want you guys to follow the Twitter because I do a lot for free over here. Okay. So make sure you follow Twitter. You could see right here. Last night I posted this on April 28th, 9:05 p.m. I said Johnson & Johnson, these were the levels, and it was my focus. And the reason why Johnson & Johnson was my focus, guys, is because we had a nice tight inside bar right here, you could see, and we were looking to press up on all-time highs. And I'm always neutral. I'll always play both ways. So I'm always looking for volatility. We have this line here was my line in the sand to go short, and I took it short. Like, I know the chart looks bullish, but I got to do, what the price action is telling me. We break through the trigger, we short, big money. All right. So that was nice. So I'm still looking at SPY here. So notice how so my level for short to add one. So I guess I might add one more time, but I'm really comfortable with the short that I took this morning. I don't really want to add one more time, but I might just do it here for fun with you guys with small size. So 418.78 is my line in the sand to take us down more. I love how when we come here, we start to pop back up, consolidate, do whatever you want. But the next time you come and I want it crosses this line, I want to see momentum. Otherwise, I'm just going to wait. And those line in the sands, guys, they come from my trigger day trades right here. These are the plans that I post every single day for my members. Those trades can be fully automated. Okay. All right. So send me some chart requests. Let's look at whatever you guys have, what you guys want me to look at. Send me some chart requests. Trading Wars Army members in the building here. Who do we have? Bad Indy, Adriana, Kuti, what's going on, brother? K Trader, Surfing Trends, what's going on, bro? Roman in the building, Big Roman. We got everybody out here, man. So let's send some chart requests on. Let's start looking at a few names. So let's go down here. Apple. Okay. So Apple, I mean, it doesn't get better than this, guys. We had this Nirvana. So the Trading Wars Nirvana is one of my rare patterns. It's when the chart goes blue. We had one yesterday and one today, both winners. So sometimes, guys, if you need to take a step back and just use the advanced patterns, go ahead and use those. Those are part of my indicators, okay? So you can get my indicators. The Nirvana is the upgraded indicator, which comes with my book. So if you buy my book, you get that indicator for free. Otherwise, you can just use the simple inside and outside bars. Okay, so here we go. So Apple right here. I don't really see. So we had the Fibonacci leg in the morning. So watch this now. High to low here. We came back to the 618 trade to the extension, guys. This is beautiful because this is what I told you I was going to work on yesterday. Is I'm developing this 272 strategy, the 272 strategy. So you have the push up. Okay, we come back down to the 618, and then we trade to the 272 extension. So we're using the Fibonacci's as reversal points to get lottos. Okay, hit me with a 9 if that makes sense. Hit me with a 9 if that makes sense. All right. So I think I have an open position in BA. I'm sure about it. Let me check my broker right now. 1 second. So I see a brother's asking about BA. BA, what happened to that? So I'm up 1.26K on Johnson & Johnson right now. Let me look at, I think I lost on BA actually. Let me just check the broker here. BA. Yep. I got stopped out on BA. Okay. Is what it is. Nothing I could do about that. All right. So here, let's take out. So AMD pretty much doing the same thing as Apple, guys. Hanging out. BA. So BA, guys, I went long in the morning right here. You could see right here, I went long right up here and I got stopped out. It is what it is. My Johnson & Johnson puts are going to pay for this loss that I took on Boeing. So nothing I could do about that. Right now, guys, what we have is really, I think the whole market is waiting to see if SPY is going to break yesterday's low, which was right here. Here's yesterday's low. The whole market is waiting for this because if that breaks, right, if that goes ahead and breaks, then what's going to happen is it could cause a flush, a rug pull, because sometimes people don't want to hold things into the weekend because they're fearful, right? I signed up, but don't see any of the watch list plays. So brother, there's two rooms. This is the stock room, and this is the spy room. So depends which room you're on. If you're in both, you'll get both. How do you set up your fibs like that? When I pull a fib, it doesn't have that range. Check out my website. I have a bunch of different resources there. LCID. So this was the play I took yesterday. I lost 400 long, made 1600 short. What do I see right now? Everything is doing the same thing right now, guys. So there was a bunch of stocks that made this push up and now are reversing. But these stocks like LCID are a little bit more stronger because their previous day's low is all the way down here. Whereas SPY, if you look at SPY is already testing that low. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Let's look at Tesla. What's going on with Tesla? Tesla is holding up strong, guys. So let's draw Tesla right now. This might not be a bad lotto. If I take a fib from the high to the low here, sorry, so we're hovering around the 618. I would be interested in a lotto right around here on the 786. Just a lotto play here, some calls. So let's leave that open and see if we can get that. I'll be looking for that. But everything did the same pattern. So you could see again. So we had the push up, came to the 618, traded extension. Some go a little bit deeper than others. This one went to the 50, but it's the same concept. The bulls made money in the morning and they're good now. The question is, do they want to come in the afternoon and carry this over? Right? And Adriana says, good opportunity here on Tesla, double inside bar hourly, 618. Yep. That's nice. Beautiful. This is a great play. Let's pay attention to this play here, guys. Okay, so are you guys ready for a Tesla play? Hit me with a 1. Hit me with a 1 if you're ready for a Tesla play. So what I'll be looking for here is long here on the 786, Lotto, okay? Or if you want to have a stop, put it down here. If that doesn't, and at the same time, I'll also be looking to short this 95% mark, okay, which is the green line. So that's the plan right there. You could take a Lotto here for the long and a Lotto here for the short, and basically hope that one of them will double up. The other one can go to minus 50%, maybe 0, but you're looking for that big move. Okay, so first play here, take this 786, small size. I'll try that here. And then if it starts to fail, take this 95. And that's going to depend on SPY. Remember what I said about SPY, right? So there's our orange line. Let's see. Okay, so this is okay, that's a short right there. Okay, short. Actually, did it touch? Nope, not yet. Okay, so let's be patient. Okay, once it breaks this orange line, that's the short signal. And remember, these are part of my trade plans that I post every night. So let's see. I'm already short from the top up here, guys, off this inside bar. This was the big play, but I don't mind trying this here. All right, so there we go, filled in short. So what you could do here, guys, is a few things. If you want to be extremely aggressive, you just put the stop loss at the top of this bar and just say, hey, it works or it doesn't. I mean, for me, it doesn't really matter because I'm already up a bit. Or you could just go full lotto and just leave it and just see if we can get a push into the close. All right. So you can see though, like the level is very important because as soon as we come here, we start hovering around, right? We start hovering around. So I think a safe stop loss would be above this bar up here, just to be safe, give it time. All right. But basically what we're targeting here is back into these lows down here. That's what we're targeting. Okay. Somewhere halfway point here would be a nice place to skip. There we go. There's some follow through. Okay. There's some follow through right there. Let's see. Be patient. You know, halfway mark here is where you want to take a little bit and you really want to get near the low here. And then if it starts to rip, you just kind of trail each candle, or you can just take as every time you get a new low. Okay. All right, so let's see how that goes. All right, hit me with a 5 if you're having a good time. Hit me with a 5 if you're having a good time. I have to leave in a bit. I have some other calls, business stuff going on, but hit me with a 5 if you're having a good time. You could also take futures here. Futures are probably easier here because the option premiums are probably really high on that. Whenever these trades that I have in here, they're automated for shares or futures. I don't usually use options on these ones. I use shares or futures only, just because if you're doing an automatic trade, it's going to be hard to get filled with the right premium. Okay, so let's look at Tesla. Right, so damn, Tesla didn't even come back to the 786 yet. So just hanging out. Let me check on my Johnson & Johnson short. Okay, so that's good. I'm short from this orange line. I want to break a new low and close near the bottom today. Then I'll be really, really happy. So that's my game plan with that. Let's look at BA. Yeah, so I got stopped out on BA this morning right here. I got stopped out on it, unfortunately. So it is what it is. What's this bad boy here? Baba, big gap up there. JD, big gap up. All probably all earnings related, right? I don't really follow them too closely, but definitely earnings related. All right. So hanging out here, watching Tesla. Yeah, I wish it would have came back to that 786. That would have been a nicer buy. Let's duplicate this. Let's look at SPY. Yeah. So there we go. Let's see if we can get a breakdown here. All right, guys. As always, guys, check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested in trading live with us. This is what we do every day. In the SPY room, in the stock room, plans. The Fib book, I'm going to raise the price probably this weekend or next week. I'll be raising it. So if you want to get the Fib book that has 70 plus pages, guys, part one is all about the Fibs, how I trade them. Part two is all about using options with the Fibonacci automated orders. You can grab the book for 88.6 and you get 1 month for free in the room, which is a good deal. And I'll see you on Monday if you go ahead and do that. Or you can get any one of the other books or sign up here directly. This is what we do every single day. Everything at the end of the day, guys, comes down to risk management. Really and truly, this Lotto put that I took up here and this Johnson & Johnson short that I took will pay for my whole day. It doesn't matter if I lose the next 4 or 5 trades, I'll still make money. That's the way that I always try to do things. So the short that I called out on Twitter and the Johnson & Johnson short, because the risk to reward is so high, I could mess up for the rest of the day and still make money. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense, right? And remember, I shared this inside bar Lotto. So this was the one I said I shared on Twitter as well for free. Went short off this inside bar with the VIP, full Lotto risk, locked in some partials, hoping for some targets. That was back up here, guys. And that was nice. Real nice. Okay. All right. So be patient with this. We'll see what it is. Tesla is definitely showing a lot more relative strength than SPY. Remember that Tesla, the previous day's low is down here, whereas Tesla hasn't even filled the gap yet, whereas SPY is trying to break yesterday's low. So that's what we call relative strength. So when you want to play something to the upside, I would rather play something with relative strength than relative weakness. You know what I mean? Hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. That's the concept of relative strength. You scan the market, you look for names that are just outperforming the index. And when you get certain signals, you go to the bullish ones and the bearish ones if you want to go short. Like Johnson & Johnson, for example, the short that I took today, you could see that it was weak, right? Look where it opened. It already broke its low on the previous day. So that's really key. That's why I want short, because it already broke its low. So that's really important. All right. That's relative strength. All right, guys, I gotta go. But what we'll do here is just keep an eye on SPY. Remember, manage your risk. I mean, I'm short from up here. This will be a paper cut for me if it doesn't work out. I'm not really too concerned, but we'll see. We'll see. We have a lot of time left in the day into the close. So I want to thank you very much for giving me your time. I won't stream later today. I'll be streaming tomorrow and Sunday. Thank you very much, my friends. I hope you learned a little bit here with the fibs and everything like that. And I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day. And honestly, guys, I gave a lot this week. I gave Tesla short twice this week. I gave Johnson & Johnson yesterday. I gave SPY today. I gave in at least 4 to 5 plays, all winners this week. There was not one loser, and I gave it for free on Twitter. Okay, I don't think anybody's doing that. All right, they're always playing misdirection games. They delete their tweets. I don't delete my tweet, guys. Okay, I keep it right here for you guys. So I would really appreciate if you could comment, like, and subscribe on this video to keep this going. Join the Trading Wars Army if you haven't. It's $5 a month, guys, and it really helps me to do these live streams and everything like that. Otherwise than that, grab a copy of the book if you don't have it, guys, before the price goes up. Seminar is this Sunday for the Trading Wars members in the Discord, and I will see you guys then. Take care, and don't forget to leave a comment for the giveaway this Sunday.